Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Teacher Tim here, and I'm doing good. So, this will be the last video of me teaching you. Every video from here on after this one will be review and also to start preparing you for the final exam. Okay? So this is the last small chapter in the book. Math Journal and Math in Real Life under Subtraction to 20. Okay? So, as usual, I have put an example here. So, this I will do for you and explain, and this you have to do yourselves. Okay? So, Math Journal is on page 256. Alright. So, the pairs of numbers that subtract and make 20. I know you do not understand what this means. I had to think before I really understood what it means. So, the pairs of numbers, so you need to make pairs. Pairs is two numbers, and then subtract and have the answer be 2. If it's not 2, then it does not work in this problem here. So the answer must be 2. So we have numbers 4, 2, 6 and 8. So let's start with the biggest number, 8. 8 minus 4, what is that? Is that 2? No. 8 minus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 4. So no, 8 minus 4 does not work. How about 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 left. 6 is not 2. No, so that does not work. How about 8 minus 6? So you have 8 and you take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 2 left. That works. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. Okay, so that is one number sentence. Okay, let's try other numbers. We have already tried 8 minus 4, no. 8 minus 2, no. 8 minus 6, yes. Now let's take the second highest number, number 6. 6 minus 8. It does not work, cannot. So 6 minus 4. So you have 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 2. Yes, that works. So 6 minus 4. That is okay because that equals 2. Okay? And then we try one more. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 1, 2 equals 4. Does not equal 2. So do not work. It does not work. Now let's go to number 4. We have already tried 8 and we have tried 6. Okay? Finished. Now we try 4. 4 minus 8 cannot. 4 minus 6 cannot. And I say cannot because 8 is larger, bigger than 4. 6 is also bigger than 4. Cannot. So let's try 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 1, 2. And then you have 2 left. Yes. So that works. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay. And then 2 you do not need to try because 2 is the smallest number. So 2 minus 8 does not work, cannot. 2 minus 6 Nope, cannot. 2 minus 4, cannot. So these three number sentences equals 2. Okay, so those are the answers. The pairs of numbers that subtract and make 2 are these three numbers. 8 minus 6, 6 minus 4, and 4 minus 2. Okay, do you understand? Good. Now let's go to your equations that you have to solve. Now, which pairs of the given numbers subtract and make 4 and 10? So I am not going to help you now, but I have written how many numbers. I have written how many numbers. So equals 4, make is the same as equal. Make is the same as equals 4. Make 4 equals 4. Same. So you have 4 number sentences that will equals 4, and you have 2 number sentences that will equals 10. But I forgot to write the numbers. You have the numbers on page 256, but I will write the numbers as well. So you have 8 numbers now, not 4, you have 8. 2, 5, 6, and 9. 2, 5, 6, and 9. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have 12, 14, 16, 18. 12, 14, 16, and 18. So you have these 8 numbers, and you can put them in any combination. It is not separated. No, not only these and only these. No, you can mix and match any combination. You can take 18 minus 2, that's okay. 18 minus 6, that's okay. You mix any way you can. But I will not help you now. I have given you help by telling you that equals 4, you have 4 number sentences. Equals 10, 2 number sentences. Okay? Now you have to figure out which combination of these numbers equals 4 and equals 10. Same, equals, same as make. Make 10. Okay? I hope you understand. Alright. Now let's go into the math in real life, which I have written on my left here. So I will change the camera angle, and then we will look at that. Okay. Okay, so here we have A, B, and C. And I have made lines for you to think and write. The first one, A. How many cups of jelly are there in the tray at first? So now you need to look in the book, page 257. So I have written a little bit here. So you need to look in the book here. Oh, sorry, you cannot see. Over there. So you need to look here and count cups of jelly. Okay? And that is on 257. Page 257. Okay, so how many cups of jelly are there in the tray at first? first all together. All together. Okay? So you write the number. B. How many cups of jelly does the student put in the boxes in total? So how many jellies does he put in the boxes? How many? And then C. How many cups of jelly are left in the tray? So after he have put the jellies in the boxes, so this number, and then he puts this number in the boxes, and then he has this number left on the tray. Okay? It's not too difficult. I'm sure you can solve that by yourselves. Alright? So I will not help you with any of this, because you can just look at the picture and count. Alright? But please show me how you got the numbers. And that is all for this video clip, boys and girls. Video clip next week, we are going to start with some revision, and I will start to prepare you for the final exam. Alright, take care, have a good weekend, bye bye. Okay, so now this part is for you mothers and fathers out there, so that you can check your children's answers. So children, go away please, give the phone and the book to your mother or to your father. Alright? I will wait a few seconds for you to close this video clip. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the answers. So here we have, I wrote down the answers in the book, so let me use the book. So make 4, we have 6 minus 2, and then 9 minus 5, and 16 minus 14, and 18 minus, yes, 18 minus 14, 16 minus 12. Okay, so these 4 number sentences equals 4, and then equals 10, and we have 12 minus 2 and 16 minus 6, that equals 10. Okay. And for the math in real life, so in total there are 19 cups of jellies, 19 cups of jelly in the tray all together at first, and then he puts how many? 6. He puts 6 cups of jelly in the boxes, and then you need to show me 19 minus 6. What is that? 13. Good. So there are 13 cups of jelly left in the tray. Oh, I'm sorry. You did not even see that. I forgot I hadn't angled the camera correctly. So there are 19 cups of jelly in the tray at first, all together. And then he puts 6 cups of jellies in the boxes. And then 19 minus 6 equals 13. So he has 13 cups of jelly left on the tray. Okay, good. So these are the correct answers. Please help your children correct them if he or she has made any small mistakes. Okay, good job. Take care.